time to test it out. Let's see how the AI phone agent actually works. How do we make the booking? If he understands everything, and let's see for the full workflow. I'm gonna put my phone number in here and I'm gonna call. The phone is calling.
Hi Valentino, how may I help you today?
Now, as you can see, I'm already in the database and then he already recognizes me. So
Are you
if
still there?
anyone
Please let me know how I can assist you.
anyone who is in the database, who is in your CRM, he will already pick it up as he calls. Hey, I need a car tomorrow from, what was my last ride?
Your usual is Heathrow Airport, Hounslow, UK to Leatherhead, UK, and SUV for 1 passenger, 2 luggage. Is that right for tomorrow? Right for tomorrow.
What email do I have on the logs?
I don't have an email on file for you. Could you please provide it? So that's VALE@AIPLAYGROUNDS.xorz. Is that correct?
XYZ.
Thank you for the correction. So that's VALE@AIPLAYGROUNDS.xyz. Is that correct?
Yep.
Great. And what time would you like to pick up for tomorrow?
5 p.m. please.
Got it. So that's for tomorrow at 5 p.m. And what's your flight number?
XYZ 123.
I have your flight number as XYZ123. Any special requests or preferences for the journey this time?
Just a coffee as usual, please.
All right, let me just pull those prices up for you. One moment, please. I've got that. The SUV for your trip from Heathrow Airport, Hounslow, UK to Leatherhead, UK tomorrow at 5 p.m. with 1 passenger and 2 luggage will be £231. Shall I confirm this booking?
Yes, please.
Confirming your booking now. One moment, please. Your booking is confirmed. Your reference number is job1410. The confirmation email will be sent to Vale at aplayground.xyz shortly. Thank you for choosing Class Chauffeur.
Thank you. All right, so I got the SMS with the booking number. So I got the SMS just now, and I didn't receive the payment because I'm in a corporate, and that's pretty much it. So if there is a new number calling, it will be greeted as a new customer, and if someone that is returning customers, they will be recognized and greeted by name, and they already will know their preferences. That's all for now. Thank you, keep learning, and I'll see you next time.